comes the big boom!
Really totally not getting a friendship bracelet! Hashtag, I'm so gonna win everything.
Somebody call for surge!
Can I do?
Double takedown!
Totally not getting a friendship bracelet! Hashtag, I'm so gonna win everything.
Here comes the big boom!
I won't like your next poke! Ugh, did someone here unfollow me? Hashtag stop the hate! Really totally not getting a friendship bracelet! They say she's too wrapped up in herself. Hashtag haters. Try many perfume!
4 takedowns left!
They say she's too wrapped up in herself. Hashtag haters.
1 takedown left! Defeat!
Hashtag I'm so gonna win everything. They say she's too wrapped up in herself. Hashtag haters.
Back on the grind! First takedown!
I'm only here for the trophies.
Double takedown!
So bad. Oh my god. Totally not getting a friendship.
So unfair!
Ugh, did someone here unfollow me? Hashtag winning. Try some zombie by me.
Double takedown!
I won't like your next poke.
Back on the grind.
Hashtag I'm
4
so gonna
takedowns left! Double takedown! 1 takedown left!
Friendship bracelet.
Back on the grind.
I'm so gonna win everything.
Mythic!
They say she's too wrapped up in herself.
Showtime!
Try some zombie.
First takedown!
They say she's too wrapped up in herself. Hashtag haters.
Double takedown!
Did someone here
Double
unfollow me?
takedown! Double takedown! Double takedown!
I'll like your next poke. I'm only here for the trophies.
Double takedown! Triple takedown!
Finally breathe again. I'm like feeling
4 takedowns left! Double takedown!
Are you serious?
1 takedown left!
Did someone here unfollow me? I'm only here for the trophies. I'm so overpowered.
Rocket Field awesomeness!
First takedown!
I'm only here for the trophies.
Birdie, birdie, birdie!
Double takedown!
I'm like feeling so attacked right now. Did someone here unfollow me? Gotta get rid of that now. Can I move? Are you serious? I'm so overpowered. Hashtag winning.
Double takedown!
Try some zombie by me. Hashtag winning.
Double takedown!
I'm so overpowered. Of both them. How many perfumes? I'm so
One takedown
overpowered.
left! Double takedown!
I'm only here for the trophies.
Super rare.